Hello everyone. We are back. Sorry for that. We got some troubles with the previous live stream, so I hope that we have connection stable now. And I would like you, if you can confirm that YouTube is work properly, please use the live chat on YouTube and please confirm that we have a sound and screen. For those who are watching me on TradingView, please also confirm that we have a sound and screen and everything works properly. We can start. Just use the live chat so we will know that everything works fine now. The technology just crashes sometimes. Okay, so this is perfect. We are having everything good with YouTube. That's perfect. So TradingView guys, can you please confirm that everything's worked properly? Loud and clear. Yeah, that's great. So you will not miss my forecasts. Okay, so I see that you're already active, guys, on YouTube. Did you trade anything from crypto? What did you trade? Looks good on TradingView. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for those confirmations. So you guys did took some crypto trades previous week, right? Okay, there was on the crypto market, there was previous week was a more than a wonderful, amazing setups. Okay, previous week there is more than 600% of profit. Okay, so if you are the worst trader on the planet, you should catch at least 300% if you were with us previous Sunday. And okay, I do everything for you. I just show you the setups, I show you the direction. You just have to take the trade, okay, and you will be into the nice profit. Okay, I see that guys, you are already asking for Bitcoin, ADA, and what do I think about WeChain. Okay, we will take a look on all those. Let me know if you took any trade. Did anyone of you guys take a GRT trade? Okay, this one was the money making move. Okay, 180% on a single move. Let me know if any one of you took that trade. Just use the chat. Let me see. Great. So one has taken. Yeah, Meho is from our trading academy. Okay, I know that you took it. How about the other? There. Some of you are sending me the private messages. You can use the live chat, guys. Don't be afraid of using live chat. Okay. So I see that some did really nice job. Okay, so those who are new with us, please use the. Can I make something with $10 on a You can, but you need to be really well experienced. Okay, so one guy is asking if he can make something with $20 on his MT4 account. For this, you'll have to be really experienced, but this is more than a luck. Okay, this is much more gambling than trading. Okay, that's not a business. So it is $20. You cannot make a lot, or if you're lucky, you may. Okay, you may make some money from it. So guys, so what you would like? Do we start with crypto today or with Forex? Let me know. Let me know with which one do we have to start first. Previous week we start with the Forex, then we did the crypto. So let me know what would you like to start first. Okay, so there's one crypto. Come on guys, use the chat. Let's see what is much more interesting. One guy is typing, that's all I'm left with. Started with 100 dealers, 100 euros, and got scammed by a fake signal service. Okay, so that's usually what happened with those scams. Those signals are usually with not good people, with not educated people, and they are leaving from your money which you paid the signal service. Okay, so this is everything what they do. They usually fake all the reserves to you and avoid from doing from unkind people. Okay, you have to double check the person who is sending the signals, check all his forecasts, and you'll see if it is worth of taking any signals for those guys. Usually those who are putting on their social sites like Instagram, their Ferraris and some luxury cars and some luxury villas, they are usually fake, okay? They usually leave the 90% of them usually from your subscription, and they have no idea what they are doing basically. Okay, so people are wanting the crypto to start first. Okay, so let me show what was crypto first, please. Yeah, I will go with crypto, no worries. What time frame did you trade the 180% profit? I use mostly the 1 hour time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame is really powerful, and you need to read it correctly. The all setups are really clearly and visible on it. I recommend you to use the lower time frame. Okay, you are probably not that so experienced to use the lower time frames. Lower time frames are usually just to see how far one wave will go, for example. Okay, so where it could be the over of this wave, and we are not that so relying on time frame. So try to stick with 1 hour time frame, 1 hour, and all the analysis for the direction you did on 4 hours. Okay, so this is some kind of the steps which you will have to take. Start with weekly, daily, 4 hour. This is where you will see the direction, and then on 1 hour you will be taking the set time frame. Okay, this is how you will usually catch nice profits and nice waves. Please show me what are waves. Waves. Okay, we have some interesting question. Okay, please show me what are waves. Too long to explain, but let me show you. Let me explain you some basic things first about waves. What are the waves? Waves are just. Let me show you another chart. This is too small chart for explaining. Okay, as you know that charts moves in waves. So what does this mean? Okay, what does this mean? If you will watch on the chart, you will see that the chart goes into the waves into one direction. Then there somewhere is the top, then it goes also in the wave to the downside. Okay, and it doesn't matter which formation of these candles or preview you will take. Okay, you can use the preview, for example, for candles. You can use the bar charts. You will always see this direction. Okay, for example, let's take a look there. Does this look? It looks. Does this looks like it moves in waves? Of course they do. Okay, and then if you will use the preview chart for the hollow candle, it doesn't matter which candles, you'll still see the direction. Okay, so here is how you'll see how powerful this wave analysis is. It doesn't matter which preview you will use, the always direction will be visible. Okay, as you can see, wave it's always there. Okay, it doesn't which preview you will be using while analyzing or watching your chart. You see, the basics are still there. Okay, you can't miss the direction. It doesn't matter which preview will you use. Okay, so this is the really. But what we do, we use the candles. Okay, because they are missing of some informations. We need a lot of more informations, and we can also use the Renko, for example. You see, the direction is still there, the wave is still there. You cannot miss it. But yeah, there are a little bit of misinformation. So also, this is the reasons. This is the reason why we use only candles. We have all the informations. Okay, so that wave can show what direction it's going. Of course, okay. The correction will always tell you which direction the market will go in the future. Okay, you will have to study the correction. Once you study those corrections, you will know what the chart will do in the future. Okay, so this is your part which you will have to study the most. Without studying this, you will miss all the directions and you will not make money from it. Okay, for now there on this picture looks like really simple, but if I would like to go into those details, it will take too long. We don't have that much time there on this stream now today. And yeah, this is the course which I teach my traders. This is the 8 weeks course where I'm showing my traders how this is developing and how you can forecast on time, okay? Because you know that you have to be ready when this is in the making, okay? If not, then you will miss this move. Okay, it's just some basic things which I was trying to tell you. Yeah, you can use babypips.com also for. I don't understand you exactly. What did you mean? What is your favorite setup? Okay, there is a lot of favorite setups. Depends what you are watching and what you're looking for. Okay, I usually wait for. I'm always waiting that setups will come to me. I'm not trades and I'm not trading what I want to see. I trade what I see. Okay, so I'm not imagining something on my charts, okay? Because the chart is just one data which you have to read correctly, so you'll be able to forecast the upcoming move, okay? What is your job? Basically, your job is to only read the charts. Yeah, see that, guys, you are waiting for the crypto. Let me show you, there was also some amazing setups, and we will start. Okay, BQX, that one went really nicely since previous weekly market. Look, almost 100%. ACX also 60%. LSK 160%. There was the wonderful move. Okay, since previous week, same there on XTZ. Okay, 70% there also. Nano. Okay, Nano also did 70%. You can see that around 70%. Same there, Neo BTC, and the money making move was there on the GRT. Okay, that one did really amazing job. 180% of move was there. Okay, so this is the lot of money. If you at least took three of them, okay, so let's say you took 10. So if you took at least three of them, you should be making 210%. Okay, this will be your profit in the previous week if you were watching our previous weekly market outlook and if you were understanding what I'm trying to say with you. Okay, so now I will go through all those upcoming quick. First, I will start with the Bitcoin dominance, then I will go follow all of them. Okay, so if I will miss any of you, use the chat, type which one would you like to see into the details, and I will add it immediately in case if I don't have it. Okay, and then we will watch it into the details. Please, can you show us example with bar replay? I will do that in the next weekly market outlook. So because now we don't have time for that stuff, I see that people are waiting for crypto analysis. Is DOGE about to blast off? Also, we will take a look on the DOGE. Okay, I see that DOGE is really popular between you guys. Okay, everyone is asking about DOGE. On Thursday, there is one guy, I don't know if he's now with us. He asked me about DOGE because he invested $500 into it and he did really bad job, okay? Because he entered at the top of the pattern and then the DOGE decided to extend, so he has some problems now. Okay, so he's in a bit of a drawdown now. Okay, so if you are with us, I will show you how you will fix this. Okay, so how you will reduce your. Yes, of course, I'll do the VeChain. Okay, so there's one question about VeChain. I see that many of you are trading the VeChains. Please show the SFP charts. Give me, okay, so let's go. I will start with the Bitcoin dominance. So what we do anticipate there on Bitcoin dominance is, for now, I can see that Bitcoin dominance will go at least into the correction, okay? Or at least it can reverse to the upside. So what you will do in the upcoming days, if you will find any sideways flag over there, you can take the buy. This will push the pair at least for that much to the upside, okay? And if it will stop there, will give you the running flat and then it will extend all the way down to this low. Okay, we will be tagging the daily low. Okay, this is the low which I do anticipate to tag after this move will be finished. So what you will do in the upcoming week, wait for the sideways movement over there, some kind of the flag, take the trade. If it will not go really fast and aggressive, doesn't matter, then take off your profit and prepare for your sales. Okay, so this is how you will place out. But if this will decide to reverse totally, congratulations, you have a wonderful trade which will do an amazing job to your Bitcoin. Bitcoin USD, what I can see over there is that the chart is doing some kind of the ending diagonal pattern over there, is the ending diagonal, and what we can have in the upcoming week is at least this before it will push to the upside. Okay, so what can we expect? Probably you will not be able to take this sell. Okay, that will be non-tradable trade. Okay, that could be really tricky. But if this will stay for the sideways, you can take a buy above this high. Okay, if you will take buy above this high after this correction is finished, you will did a great job. Okay, if it will not move anywhere, or if it will start to correct, take it off immediately. Just once you see that it's not moving, take it off. Easy. Bitcoin Euro, okay, this chart is still the same as Bitcoin USD. I will not repeat it. That okay, there are still my buys for those who are with me first time. You know that I'm holding my buys since this low. We'll see. Still didn't take it off. We'll see how this pattern will plays out, because this doesn't look it will totally reverse. Okay, at least not yet for now. Okay, this is the ending diagonal, which can just give us the bigger correction, and then it can still continue to the upside. Okay, but yeah, this will be the price where you have to decide what you will do in the longer term picture. It's too early to say for now. XRP Bitcoin looks like one more down is preparing. Okay, so if this will go for the sideways, this is what we can have in the upcoming week. Why? This could be the nice expanded flat there, expanded flat formation over there, and one more down. It's quite possible over there. So be prepared that XRP will go for one more down, at least breaking this low. We have one question. So, what platform do you think is best for trading crypto? For now, I can say that crypto is doing really good. Okay, I've been Binance for quite a long, and I can say that crypto with Binance is doing really well. I'm happy with it, and withdrawals are also okay. Also, deposit security is also good. So, what is most important with crypto? Okay, so I can say all the positive things about the Binance. So, if you're interested, you can try the Binance. You'll see if you will be happy with them. You will use it. Okay, and also on the Binance, you can see that there is the most of the coins. Okay, the other platforms are not having that many coins. So this is the reason why I took the Binance. They have a lot of coins over there. Most of coins are there on the Binance. So let's go Ethereum Bitcoin. Okay, Ethereum Bitcoin looks like one more down it's possible, but momentum it's not there. Be careful there. Okay, so this can get complicated. Okay, something like that. It can go for one more high and then it will go down. Okay, so things can get complicated over there where okay, something like this can appear. Let me just draw that correctly so you will know exactly what I'm saying. If you are selling it, okay, so if you are selling it from there, you did a great job. Put it on break even. That's everything okay. And wait for one more high. If this move will the downside, as it can also break to the downside, but you will have to keep an eye there and watch for only strong breaks to the downside. Okay, only strong break to the downside, you can take the trade, but rather wait for the break, wait for the correction, then take the trade. Okay, this is much more secure the sell. Okay, from where it is right now. No, don't do that kind of thing. You'll end up with blowing your account. So that's not a good idea. So let's patiently wait for drop, correct, okay, and then take the trade. You have to stay patient. This correction will appear. Nothing will go into the straight lines. Okay, this is the reason why we are using wave analysis, because you will be always able to get in the trade on the right time, and you will not miss any single move. Thank you. That's actually who I just applied for, cause Coinbase sucks. Okay, it could sucks, but yeah, Binance are really good. I think you will be happy with them. So what you will do there on the Ethereum Bitcoin, wait for this correction or let it pull back. Let it pull back, then watch to sell from this top or their breakdown. Okay, so this is what you will do. This correction will appear at any time soon. So let me just draw that so you will exactly know what I'm trying to anticipate. Don't just blindly sell. That will make no sense. Okay, this is what you will do. Wait for this kind of the correction. Okay, I'll draw this really nice for you guys. I want that every one of you will understand what I'm. Okay, this is correction which we will wait for. This will be wonderful, and then try to sell from the top if you're experienced. If not, then wait for the strong break to the downside and simply go for this sell. Only two scenarios. Okay, buy out to take the buy over there. LTC USD. Okay, LTC USD is going higher, pushing higher. Can I buy? No, you can buy anymore. We are too high. What do we need there is we need some kind of the correction which is already in the making. Okay, as you can see, that first wave of the correction we are already having. Okay, this could be the first wave, second wave, the third wave, and then we will continue for one more up, and then one big correction will appear before going higher. So this is what you will have to be careful. If you'll try to buy, you will have to wait for this correction to appear. Okay, after having this correction, then you can start buying it. Don't just simply jump into those trades. Okay, let it correct there. It will go into the second correction, one more high, then bigger correction, and then it will go higher. So be careful, take your profit off on time and get in on time also. Okay, as you know that it's really important when you will get in the trade. Okay, so this is really important. Crypto is not for sale on Binance. Yeah, we know that nobody is not selling. We are usually using on Binance the spot trading option. Spot trading option is really powerful thing, and relying on this, it's doing wonderful returns. Okay, so wave analysis plus Binance spot trading. This is more than a profit blowing strategy. Okay, this is all you need to learn in this year now if you would like to make some money or become a bit richer than you. I'm bad at 38. So I'm not using the Fibonacci there. Okay, Fibonacci, it's not the tool which helps me to identify how deep the correction will go. The candles and the first impulse will have, if I were probably see that this one going lower, higher, and something like this before going. Okay, so I cannot tell you for now how far it will go. It can go a little bit lower, something like this. Okay, somewhere there you can apply this running flat over there. Okay, this is what you will have over there also, and then it will, and this is the trade. Definitely you can go for this buy. Okay, first buy at least that high. Okay, so once this will start to struggle, you can start watching for buy somewhere there, take the buy. If it will start to struggle around the previous stop, you will take off your profit, then you can start watching for sell. Basically just watch it. Okay, as you know that we can just buy, and then you will be buying again. So this small profit, take it off, and then the big medium term buy stop will be able there. So we took a little bit too long. Let's go. I don't want that this webinar will take for 3 hours. Um, LTC Bitcoin, what do we have there? Nothing special. I don't recommend you to do anything. I see this is the expanded lead which can start to push lower and then it will go higher. So don't watch there anything for the upcoming week. It's not looking good. Loom Bitcoin, this one did really nice job also in the previous week. Okay, so in our trading academy we've been buying it from there, and there was a lot of buy setups, two more setups basically. Okay, so you couldn't miss it. And yeah, this is the move which appeared in the previous week. Now what you can do is, let me just delete, I want to have a clear picture for you, for every one of you. Let's go to the 1 hour. What we can see over there, you can see that there is one deep correction, 1 to 3 corrections. So can it go higher? Of course. Okay, this move can start its wave to the upside really fast. And yeah, this is the flag which you will have to keep an eye on it. If you'll find any trade, and price will do around the trend line. If it will start to struggle, take off your profit, it will go down. If not, congratulations, you have a nice trade which will just push higher and you will have a nice profit on your trading account. Okay, and DOGE, where are those guys which are fall asleep until we came to those dodgy analysis? Are you guys still with me? What's the time frame you're using on your analysis? I already answered that question. Okay. What I use for my analysis is 4 hour and daily, okay, hard time frames for analysis, and I'm using 1 hour to enter the market in the direction of this hard time frame. Yes, so great. This is people are still there waiting for the dodgy move. Dodgy move. This will be the a Valentine gift to you. Okay, so you fell in love with this Dodge on Valentine Day. So let's take a look there on the Dodge. Okay, so what Dodge is doing at the moment. Okay, I hope that none of you is in the buy right now. Okay, because buy is not ready yet. Okay, why the buy is not ready yet? Because as you can see, we've been buying it there, we've been buying it there, and we already made two times, once 70% and once 50%. Okay, so this is the power of trading. Okay, we are not holding two starts correct, we take off the profit. Okay, same there. Once it starts to correct, we take profit off. What will happen if you will not? Okay, so if you are that kind of the person which just found somewhere on the internet that you have to buy the Dodge. Okay, so some smart guy is saying that you have to buy and what they do, they are just keep saying hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, and what will happen, you'll probably end up on a break even trade if you'll be happy. Okay, if you will know about trading, you will close it on a break even. This is the best scenario. But if you keep listening to them, you for this, okay, and the chart will just going down, 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 and if you'll be happy, it will start to go higher, and after 2 weeks or 2 months sweating watching the dodgy into the minus, you'll finally make 50%. Okay, so this is the bad thing with holding like an idiot. Okay, don't do that kind of scenario. Once you take the trade, take it. If it starts to correct, take profit. Go take profit. So here's the example. I am already in the profit 120% on this. If I took two trades, what you will do, you will return this 70% of the profit back to the crypto market. Okay, and this is the most common mistake that traders does. Okay, don't do that kind of the mistake. Once you will see that the chart is trying to correct, take off your profit. Don't hold the trade into the correction, because you will never know how far and how long the correction will take. There it could be the bigger correction, there it could be small correction, and so on. But once the correction is finished, then you'll simply get back into the market, because you're only interested to make a profit and not to hold the minuses, which will make you nervous, which will confuse you, and which will make you do stupid behaviors because of the emotions on your minuses, because of your minuses. Okay, so what you will do there, at the moment I don't see any reversal yet to come on Dodge, so this okay, so this could be the running flat in the middle, and we can go a little bit lower. Okay, it doesn't mean that it will go and turn from right there. Okay, how far can it go? A little bit lower, of course. We can also see the tag and break of this low. This is what we can have in the worst case scenario. Okay, this wave and this room is still there before you will see that the chart will turn to the upside. As you can see, for now there is no loss of momentum and there are no signs of any buy. Okay, let's quickly take a look on 1 hour time frame. What do we have there? Okay, there are no signs at the moment. What you'll have to do before buying, I would like to see some really impulsive wave, then I want to see the correction, then I will take the trade. Okay, this is where I came in, and this will be my profit, and I'm not holding the minuses. Okay, i need I need money into the other trades instead of holding their minuses. Okay, so what you'll do, if you understand me, wait for impulse, wait for correction, take the trade. This will indicate you that the chart is ready and you can take the trade to the upside. For now, there are no signs at the moment. Okay, so like I said, wait for this and take the trade. straight to the up, this will be ready. But for now, stay away from this chart. Dodge, it's not ready yet to push higher. Okay, so hope guys you are not in that kind of the minus. For this guy who is asking me about the Dodge, he entered it somewhere there. Okay, I hope you're listening to me. You supposed to take your profit there. Okay, once you see the correction, it's correct, and you're supposed to take that, reduce that loss. Okay, so this will be your loss, which you'll have to accept. So if you're still holding it, if you still didn't close it, then you cannot do anything. Wait for 4 hour correction. Okay, so correction will appear. You don't know. Okay, for now, let's say it will start at really soon in the upcoming week. We're supposed to see some kind of the correction if this will continue to the downside, breaking this low. Okay, this will be your good scenario. So let's go. Let's continue. Nothing is there, so if you took it from there, there was some buy stops. If you took it, great. Now you cannot do anything. Stay away from it. BQX. Let's have a look. There was also a nice trade previous week. Let me delete. I don't want to confuse you. Let's take a look on 1 hour. What do we have there? There is some kind of the flag which is trying to build over there. Okay, as you can see, there is the flag which is trying to appear. If this will start to aggressively break to the upside, you can consider buying it. Okay, you can take a buy. How far? This will be your target. Okay, this will be your target if you would like to see it. Okay, 1 2 3. Okay, this will be quite complicated. 1 2 3 structure, and then to go to the upside. So first this move and then this one. Can it also break down? Yes, it can, but now at the moment it doesn't look like it will go down. So you can watch for those strong breaks to the upside. Okay, let me just put an arrow over there so you will clearly see. BCX. Let's have a look on 4 hour structure. This can go a little bit higher, but don't buy it blindly without having a setup on at least 1 hour time frame. For this is a nice impulsive move. You should take off your profit there. If not, then there is the less chance to take off your profit, because you already from my webinars, you should not be holding your profit once the chart is correcting, because you will never know where the ending is. Okay, so this is the running flat, some kind of the running flat. We have an impulse running flat, and then it can go higher, then we'll go into the bigger correction. Then it can have to do on 1 hour is your time frame, which we'll have to keep an eye. Watch how this running flat will plays out. There is so much more room to the downside. One more down is possible, and then it will go to the upside. Okay, so you can label the running flat over there. Okay, this is the running flat, which you may label it somewhere there. Okay, a little bit more to the downside. Okay, this is not this lower time frame. It's not stable. Okay, it's not. Oh, sorry, I just got disconnected by my microphone. Uh, this is not relevant trend line. Okay, you don't need to draw it now. Once this will be over, then you can draw it, so you'll know that this is running flat, and you can start buying it. Once you start buying it, once it will tag that high, take your profit off, or be careful, because it can just break and then it can go into the bigger correction. And like I said, don't put that profit back to the market. AMD Bitcoin, guys, save those charts please for a little bit late. I will take a look on all those charts if I will not have it on my watch list. Okay, TOMO USDT, will also take a look there. Okay, just give me a couple more minutes. I will try to go for those who are not ready yet. Okay, as you can see, wet Bitcoin is not ready yet. Okay, nothing there. It can just correct, and yeah, 1 hour time frame is where you can catch some buy setups. HBRB, nothing special is there. This one will probably go for one more down. Okay, so be careful. Let me just delete. There is a mess. Okay, so there's some kind of the mess on my chart at the moment. This is the expanded flat, which can go for one more down. So make sure you are careful right now. Okay, this can just correct, going down, break this low, and then going higher. So nothing there. IO Bitcoin. Same, nothing there. They can also go down, so keep going. AST, so air swap. There are many people asking for air swap. There was one buy stop. You should already take off your profit. It's not going anywhere, and this may end up with a deeper correction, which will give us the running flat before going. So don't stop at the moment, neither on 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour it doesn't look like a buy stop. It can still correct going for one more down, and then it will go to the upside. So stay away from the AST for now. LSK went higher, so there's nothing for you. For those who missed it, for those who still didn't take off your profit, once this will pull back, take your profit later. Okay, so book your profit, then you have to wait that correction will appear. But for now, you cannot get in again. Okay, so those who missed it, just skip it, move on. Okay, it can go for the deeper correction over there. OMG Bitcoin. So I call it oh my gosh coin. So what do we have there? Nothing. Okay, so stay away from it. This can really aggressively go down back to that low. So be careful that you are not trading it. Okay, if you are buying it, take off your profit. For now, it doesn't look like good. It will crack there and then drop down all the way back to the previous bottom. So no buying there. Nothing is interesting there. ANK, they're similar. Nothing to do there. Okay, so skip it. If it will start aggressive breaking high, you can buy above this high. You can take this buy. Otherwise, skip it. Ocean, it went up. Okay, now it is trying to pull back. Do we have any buy setup? No, we don't have a buy setup. Okay, not even on 1 hour. This looks like strange. Okay, correction and then correction in the middle going down. Yeah, I do not recommend it to buy. Okay, or if it will give you the flag there, you can consider don't buy because it can just pull back going down and then it will go. Okay, so you'll have to wait for this move to complete before you will be buying it. Dia, okay, nothing there. It's going lower. We break the top. This is the scenario which I'm always repeating in my webinars. Okay, they break the top and then they reverse. This is the problem. Many of you traders are having huge losses. Okay, usually when they see this, they get in because they miss something and then they bought. What happened? Chart went down. Okay, and they have a big drawdown on their trading accounts. So if this has happened, you have to pull back, take off this loss. Okay, don't try to come on the zero. Okay, the 0% of loss will not be there. Okay, try to manage it at least to the 5 or to minus 10%. Okay, this is how you can manage your trade. Okay, somewhere there, and cut it off and then let it go down. DOGE Bitcoin, nothing there. It will go also lower. Okay, something like this. But yeah, probably whole next week you'll have to wait for this correction to appear. XTZ Bitcoin, nothing there. You should already remove your profit. Okay, this was the zone to take off your profit. So this trade is gone. What you have to do is wait there. Okay, let it to correct, then we will be buying it again. Okay, but for now, stay away. It can just drop and take this low. Nano Bitcoin, you may consider this one. If it will struggle here a couple more hours, that will be great, and you can buy strong break to the upside. Okay, so this can give us some kind of the sideways movement before it will continue its way to the upside. On the 1 hour, you will be able to identify that buy. Okay, wait to break, wait for flag or something like that or correction, then take the trade. Previous high is your target. This is your target. But for now, there is nothing. Okay, don't jump in. Okay, don't take risk taking interest because this can just extend its way to the downside and then going higher. You will never know when this is the over of the move. RSR, nothing. Neo Bitcoin. There is also missed move. I'm really sorry for you. Okay, so what you have to do is nothing to do there. Okay, those who still didn't take off your profit, take it off. Okay, take off your profit. You did a nice profit since previous weekly market outlook. Okay, book some profit there. Congratulations, this is enough. And can it go higher? Of course it can go, but we need 1 hour correction. Okay, 1 hour correction is needed before this will push to the upside. Okay, wait for this, then add more trades or get in back to buy. ADA. Okay, I see that many of you were asking me for Cardano. Okay, so Cardano ADA. I see that people are asking for this. Hope you guys are still with me. I don't see that any chat activity there on YouTube and TradingViews, so I hope that you are still with me and hope that you didn't fall asleep. Okay, perfect that your guys still there. So perfect, perfect. Let's go. Okay, then if you have any questions, just use the chat and we will do it. Okay, do the Cardano. Okay, let's do this one. I see that many of you are just impatiently waiting for that ADA. So what can we have there is 1 hour correction, which is getting quite complicated. Let's take a look on 4 hour. There it could be buy setup, but it could take up to till the Wednesday. Okay, so 3 days, 2 or 3 days more to struggle there, and then you may consider buying it. Okay, so then you will see this correction which will be fulfilled, and once this is over, then you may start buying it. Okay, once this will be completed, then you can get in. Not then there it will be any sharp down. Okay, we are now on the spot where we supposed to see some loss of momentum. Okay, so chart should lose its momentum. There should not be any aggressive waves to the downside. Okay, if there any aggressive wave to the downside or any aggressive candle will appear to the downside, not watch it. Okay, so remove it from your watch list because it will take bit longer than you thought. Okay, then this will go for the bigger correction before it will go to the upside. Okay, if this will appear. If not, loss of momentum and then buy the breakout. Okay, you will be able to take the buy on the breakout and you will be enjoying your profit. Okay, so don't get in too early, like I said. You can even watch 1 hour. Okay, for those who can't wait on the 4 hour picture, let's wait there. If there it will be any kind of the flag, you can buy. Okay, if flag will appear there, you can buy above the high. We'll see how fast this move will go. If this move will be slow, put that on break even. It will take you out on the break even, and then you will be buying it again from new low. Okay, this is how you can play out, but for this kind of scenario, you have to be really, really experienced, and you need to have a time to watch your charts every 4 to 5 hours. Be experienced if you will do this kind of the thing which I already show you on the chart. And yeah, congratulations, you'll have a nice trade and profit is waiting. The setup is not ready yet. Okay, like I said, 2 to 3 days, 2 to 3 days to confirm, to complete before going higher. Zcash, let's see, nothing there. Okay, so some of you who bought there, you should take off your profit or break even trade. Okay, this is getting quite complicated right now. Okay, let's have a look on 1 hour. What do we have there is right now. Let's see. Yeah. Wait also this to complete before you will be buying it. For now, nothing there. There are many other charts which are much better. People are asking about silver and gold, please. Nasdaq 100. Yes, guys, we will take a look this in 10 minutes. Okay, let me just finish with those cryptocurrencies and then we will move to the gold, silver, forex, and then indices on the last. There is nothing. Algo. Okay, deeper correction can still be in play before this will move to the upside. Okay, so what you have to do, you can apply there one trend line. Okay, so let's see how this will behave over there. Okay, if this will form some kind of the correction, then you may be buying it over there. Can I buy it earlier? I don't think so. Okay, so what you can do is you can apply one more trend line over there. This will help you take some good decisions. Okay, if you really want to buy, you can buy above this high. This will go tagging this trend line, and down you have to take off your profit, and then you will be buying it again. Okay, so this will take a bit more than you think. Okay, why? This is the first move there. It will be the middle in the pattern in the middle, and one more down, and then it will go up. Okay, this will be the move which you should not miss. Okay, so like you see there, it will take a couple more to 5 days before this will start to push higher. Any aggressive break to the downside will invalidate this setup. Okay, I see that, guys, many of you were watching previous weekly market outlook and those forecasts. Yeah, that's really great, and I made a lot of profit. This is really good because this is my plan. What I'm trying to do, I'm trying to give you as much as possible setups that you will make money. Okay, I'm really happy when you are making money because this webinar, you guys are making money from this. So let's go. FTM Bitcoin. Okay, that one is struggling there. This is my personal trade. I also got buy there and took it off on Saturday. Saturday on Saturday at 1 o'clock. This is where I took my profit off. Okay, I was buying it there, and I see and recognize that this doesn't move anywhere, and I took it off there with small profit. I think it was around 10% of the profit that didn't go anywhere. So what I will do now, okay, so I will wait now this to go down. I can see that it will tag the previous low. I will take this trend line now, and this is what I do anticipate. This correction will just get bigger. I don't see it will break higher. Let me have a look on 1 hour what the price is trying to do right now. Okay, let me just this trend line. I don't know why is there. This will probably correct some kind of a deeper correction, and then it will go for one more down before pushing higher. So correction will get quite complicated. Make sure you will not end up with any troubles or any drawdown trades. MKR Bitcoin, still not loss of momentum there. It can still go lower before it will continue to the upside. This could be the wave, and correction is there. Expanded flat is there, which will push the pair a little bit lower. At least break this low. Okay, we still didn't break it. Okay, let's take the trend line. You see, we take that, will break it. It can go a little bit lower, and then it will finally push to the upside. So when it will be time to watch it, once this will be breaking, okay, once this will be breaking, you can move on 1 hour time frame, and then you will be start watching for this buy setup over there. So there's strong momentum on the downside, push a little bit lower, and then going higher, probably 1 to 2 days. Okay, on Tuesday probably this will be ready to start watching it for buys. XLM Bitcoin, nothing there. Okay, don't do any stupid mistake, which is completed 1 2 3. Okay, that's not good. And also there 1 2, and the big 3 is there. Be aware that you are not holding the buy order there, okay, because this is the drawdown which you will face if you would like to hold any buy that you're having. Okay, don't do anything stupid now. Rather stay away from it. Okay, it's not ready yet. Okay, we would like to buy at the bottoms. Okay, this is where we are buying on the low, on the low, on the low, on the low. Okay, so we are not on the low, we cannot buy right now. We just have to stay away from it. AOS Bitcoin, same there, nothing is there. That looks quite sharp. Okay, it can stay probably whole next week from Monday to Friday for the sideways to complete that correction before we will be starting the wave to the upside. So don't do anything also there. QQM Bitcoin, nothing there. Okay, still can push lower. There was buy. Okay, it's gone now. Uh, Nothing there. Okay, move on. ANJ, nothing there. It can also go lower. Okay, this could be the correction. 1 2 3, extended, really extended, running flat, expanded flat, and then to go higher. So break of this bottom, it's needed before price will nothing is there instead of the sell. BLZ Bitcoin, it's trying to push higher. This is the running flat which was completed. Okay, today in the morning that was completed. Went higher. Take your profit slowly off. Okay, so if you're it, if it will start to reverse, take it off. If not, wait. Okay, wait 3 to 4 hour candles, and then take off profit. You should not see any reversals over there. You're buying it really fast, and running flat in these positions are really dangerous because they spike, they end up the correction, they finish this correction, they finish this correction, and now we can go into the deeper correction. So be aware now, okay? 4 hours from now, watch it. It will be important. ZAIL. Come on, those guys, those names. Sorry, I just broke my tongue. Nothing there. There's also no. This thing can get interesting. What do we have there? It's one wave is there, second is there. We need the third wave. Maybe the second wave it's not over yet. 1, 2, 3. We can go top, break all those tops, then we'll go down, and then we'll finally continue to the upside. So this correction can get quite complicated. Can I take the buy? Yes, of course. You can start watching for your buy setups. In case if you have it, there is no buy setup at the moment. Okay, so buy setup will be only looking like this. Take it all the way back to the top. Take off your profit. Prepare for the sell and like from this low. Okay. So it can go higher, tagging down, tagging this low, and then it will continue. So nothing probably. You have to stay away from it in the upcoming week. And if you're not skilled, I really do not recommend you buying it. Can go lower. Okay, so this could be 1, 2, 3, breaking this low, and then to go higher. Okay, so let it go lower. Let it go lower. This can go a little bit lower, and then it can continue to the upside. Break of this low and loss of momentum before this will be going higher. At least this. If this chart or this move will be aggressive there, we may see the break of previous bottom. But I don't see it right now. Okay, nothing is there. Okay, been talking about this chart, previous weekly market outlook. There is nothing now. Okay, you can't do anything. Let's move on. BTS, Bitcoin. Nothing there basically. Just move on. LRC. If this will corrects there a little bit more, 2 days more, you can take the buy all the way back to the high. Okay, so this will be your profit. And then what you may consider taking off your profit because it can go into the deeper correction. Now the question is this all the correction? And it can fly? We don't know. Okay, so this the reason. This is the reason why you have to take this buy, because at the moment you don't know if this is all the correction and we'll be finally going to the upside, or we need more, then this will be the correction and then going higher. Okay, so we don't know. This is the reason why you have to take this buy, because if this was all the correction, it will fly. Okay, so make sure you will watch how this correction will plays out there. On 1 hour you will probably have nice buy up. Okay, it's trying to bounce. Okay, we have a nice flag over there. Nice flag. Let's search for buy setups. Take the buy, at least this top and this top. Okay, try to get in earlier as these tops. Atom Cosmos. Let's see the Cosmos. We have a question. What's going on? Nothing special, just profits. And you, how is on your side? Do you give paid alerts? No, only for Forex. I do for Forex, but in the nearly future, if there will be a lot of interested people, I will make paid alerts for crypto also. Okay, so we'll see how many of people will be interested. For 1 to 2, it's a group. Okay, if there it will be the bigger group, then we can create some paid alert group, and I will be sending you there the crypto signal alerts. Let's go. GRT Bitcoin. Okay, DFI. Okay, let's take a look on DFI coins. What we have there is it did really nice. Okay, we've been talking that at the beginning of the webinar. So can I get in once again? Of course. Okay, so let's see how this will plays out in the upcoming week. After breaking, you want to see some kind of the flag over there. Okay, some kind of flag. Take the trade at least back to the previous stop will be your target. Okay, so let me just took that arrow. Okay, what will be your target? This is your first target. If you will be lucky, this will extend a little bit higher, and this will be your target. Okay, so something like this will be your target. Just keep your eyes on. Okay, so don't get into early after breaking of this trend line. Okay, earlier before the breakout, don't get in. It's too dangerous. It can go for one more low, one more low, one more low, and then go up. Okay, so you will not know when this is over. Okay, you see this can just get complicated. Okay, complicated, and then you will be angry, holding the losses, you'll off, and then crazy. Okay, so link Bitcoin, if you were buying it from there or there, that one should be taken off profit around the trend line. As you can see that it just started to reverse. So what you can do, all of you should take off your profit and you'll be buying it back. Will be over. Okay, so I don't see right now the correction. It's over. It's still struggling there. Okay, so that could get quite complicated, and then one more down, bigger correction before going higher. So I don't recommend you to buy. Okay, you can buy only above the high if there, but I don't think so. Okay, this can go for one more low. Why? Because this could be the correction in the middle. Okay, this could be the correction. This could be the over. Okay, so this will be the first wave, second, third, and then to go higher. We are with AAV. This one looks interesting. Okay, guys, so keep your eyes there in the upcoming week. Okay, you just want to see some buy setups over there. Don't blindly just buy because the sell it's aggressive, as you can see. It's not ready yet to buy. Let's have a look on 1 hour. What do we have there on 1 hour? As you can see there also, it's not buy setup. Okay, so don't buy until you will have a buy setup. Once you have the buy setup, you can buy it. Okay, so you will buy it. If you have the buy setup there, you can buy there and take the trade all the way back to the top. Okay, so nice trade will be there. Your job, it will be just to watch it. Okay, just don't forget on it. Watch it all the time and you will see how this will plays out. Okay, so we have also question for alpha Bitcoin. Yeah, we will take a look. We already take a look on alpha. Maybe I just didn't saw the chat on right time. UNI Bitcoin is going down. Okay, stay away from it. This correction will get a little bit lower. Okay, at least breaking this low, so stay away until we will have the break of this low. We'll be buying it probably next week. Okay, on the Friday, this setup may be completed. S and X, nothing there, going lower. Luna, this is getting interested over there. Let me move on lower time frames so I recognize that better. What do we have there? Okay, this could be the running flat. Okay, no, cannot be. Didn't break the low. Okay, on time, so this is not there. This still can go a little bit lower. Okay, this thing can get complicated and you guys will lose your money. Okay, so we already break the low. Come on, what's going on with this trading queue tool? Okay, so this is what you can have over there. This will complete the running flat, and what it will happen, it will go for one more down before heading to the upside. So stay away from this one. It doesn't look good. Okay, or if this will stay there and struggle, then you may consider buying it, but for now it doesn't look like that, so simply skip it and watch it later. Come Bitcoin, it will go lower. Okay, at least breaking this bottom, there's still a little bit more to go, and then we'll start watching for buy. Once this will be broken, once this low will be broken, then we will start watching for buy. Okay, can it go lower to take the trend line? Of course it can go. Okay, there is really a lot of chances that comp will go and tag that trend line. So in this, once it will be breaking the previous low, we will start watching for buy. That's all. TRB Bitcoin, nothing there. Skip it. Sushi, new low. It will be broken. Okay, so new low will appear over there before going higher. So this is what we'll have over there. Quite big structure. 1, 2, 3, and then going higher. So wait. Okay, wait for this down move, breaking the low, and then it will finally start its way to the upside. ZRX, ZRX, sorry. Nothing there for correction. This could be the correction, and then it will go to break that high. CRV Bitcoin going lower. Okay, so this was just, what was that? Sorry, this was just the extension. We were waiting there for the buy. It didn't appear. Okay, so we know where the price is. In case if we are wrong, we are not in the trade. Okay, so this is really good thing from our strategy. Once you made a wrong analysis, your strategy will protect you to not getting into the market. Okay, so let's continue the move to the downside before higher. Ren Bitcoin, I think there. Okay, this can just struggle there. Bit bigger correction can appear, breaking that low before going higher. So there's a lot of coins where you have to wait for, but at least you have few setups you can watch. 1 inch, nothing there. This correction can get complicated. Okay, so this is what I was watching. It didn't plays out as I was thinking. Okay, so this is getting now a little bit lower. Okay, this trend line should not be there. Okay, so this correction can get a little bit lower, at least breaking that low, and then it will continue to the upside. KNC Bitcoin, that will probably give us some loss of momentum. Then you may consider buying it. Okay, but without having a loss of momentum, and buy it. Okay, this thing will go higher. This is the one. This will be the second wave, and this will be the third wave. So yeah, buying it once this will start to break higher. Okay, let me just draw that trend line over there. So this is what you'll have to wait. Correct. Take the trade. Previous top is your target, and congratulations. This will so see that you guys wanting some more coins. You are asking me for EOS euro. Okay, so let's have a quick look on that one too. EOS, how is that euro? What is look at the moment? What you can do, stay away from it. Okay, this is the one huge impulse which needs to correct at any time soon. You will see the correction before going higher. So don't buy it. This thing is not ready yet. At least 1 hour. Small move, tagging the high and then going lower. Or if you have if you will find a clear setup, probably tomorrow, there you can consider buying it, but you have not enough room so from it. Okay, it's not, I do not recommend you buying it. Okay, it's any other coins which are looking interesting. Tomo and SFP, please. Okay, SFP, which one is that? Oh, I mean Tomo Bitcoin. Let's have a look. I'm not watching those coins, but I can do that for you guys. Mm, be careful, running flat can appear over there. Okay, so this is what we can have over there. This can start there, going lower, and then to go higher. Okay, be aware, watch this running flat to appear over there before buying. Can you buy earlier? If you will find any buy setup which is already appearing, you can buy there. Okay, you can take a buy there. Take a buy there. Once it will go, if this will not go fast, you on the previous top. Okay, so this is your trade which you can watch probably today during the night or the evening. I don't know where you're located at. So just watch for this trade there. It's looking quite good for now, but you have to be fast once it will tag that high. Can it go higher? Mm, Yes, it can go a little bit higher and then going down. Okay, this move will still appear, so you have to be fast with your profit, but start watching to take profit on the previous stop. SFP, please. Okay, so SFP, what do we have there? SFP Bitcoin. Look, there are there's a small data on the chart. So we have to move on lower time frame to identify this in the right time. What this can do, this can go make new low. Okay, so this is what you can have over there going for new low, then it will go high. So I the correction in the making, it will not go higher at the moment. Probably you, what was that? Sorry, just misclicked. Okay, at least breaking this low. Okay, new low and then going higher. So oh, wait, it will go down before going higher. Wait with that coin quite more because it doesn't look it will go from there. Your analysis bet USDC. What is this? I haven't watched it. Bet USDC. Let's have a look. Thanks. You are welcome. Okay, no worries. What is this one? Basic attention token. There it could be the buy in the nearly future, but be aware, okay? This correction can appear over there and then going lower, okay? So 4 hour correction can appear over there, so you have to be careful with this buying. I suggest you to not buying it, okay? So I would rather wait for the deeper correction or bigger correction. Let's say bigger correction before buying. Okay, wait for bigger correction before getting into the trade. For now, I don't recommend you any buying, especially if you're not skilled. Okay, if you will not know how to take off that profit. Okay, so Meho is also asking for Sky Bitcoin. Let's have a look on that one. Let's see Sky. Let's have a look on 4 hour. That one could be interested. Whoa, what's going on with that one? There's a big jump over there. We have some running flat scenario. What you can do now there, watch it. Okay, watch there for some kind of the flag, then take the buy. Okay, this could be a running flat for more upside. Okay, wait for some kind of the flag, then join the wave to the upside. Okay, so this could be interested. Okay, Meho, you are from our academy. Okay, so Miho is one of our members from our academy where we watch crypto every day. So all the setups are on our eyes. We discuss about crypto and potential setups that we took with other participants which are in the channel. So if any one of you is interested to join the channel to our crypto channel, just simply send me the text message and I will send you the details about this channel. What else do we have there? Your analysis MTL. I think that MTL we already passed. Okay. Meho, can you just send this in the Slack in our channel once the webinar will be completed? Okay. So let other traders watch it. Uh, MTL. I thought that was that one. MTL Bitcoin. Uh, I already did that one. That is being done already. Supposed to be done already. Okay. Watch how this will plays out. Go for the trade. Okay. Be aware. Any strong break candles there will identify that it is going down, and then the correction will get bigger, and then it will go down. Okay. So no strong sells over there. Okay. Behavior before this will push back at the top. So watch it. Thanks, sir. You are welcome, guys. Can you do Euro US Euro USD? Yes, guys. Now we will move on Forex. Okay, yeah, I will do Forex now. Okay, perfect. our crypto channel, send me the DM. You can contact me on Telegram. You can also go to my website, sorry, tradewithmaster.eu, okay, and there you'll find the contact form and you can send me an email and I will send you the details about the group. So let's start with the Forex now. Let's have a deep look now. First, I will start with the silver, but first, let me take a sip of water. Just a moment. Okay, I'm back. What is your website? This is my website. Okay, so for all of those like to take a look, this is the website, and under my published idea on TradingView, you'll find the social links. Okay, so there, if you will go under the idea and at the top also, sorry, there at the top you'll find my links where you can find me, and you can also go under the idea. Under the idea, you'll find the Telegram chat, website, YouTube, and this is the Signal service, which is not active. Free Signals group is not active channel at the moment. Okay, we were busy with other stuff, with the academy, with crypto, and so on. So free group wasn't active. New Zealand USD, there is published idea which went lower. Okay, so what the price is doing now, we'll tell you now step by step. But let me go back to the silver. Okay, and then I will follow that for experts. If you have questions, just use the chat. Silver, what do we have there? The price is trying to push higher. So what you can do, you can buy above there and take the trade. So how far it will go? It will go at least tagging that high. Okay, so let's see how this behavior will complete. This could be all the correction. It can continue its way to the upside. So you can buy above the high, and this is where you will take it. Okay, this is at least move which you will have over there. Okay, so this correction is in the making right now. So watch how that will plays out on the silver, and then you may watch for one more sell. Okay, this sell will appear over there. Okay, this is what I do anticipate. It will start to go down really, really fast. Gold, what do we have there? Gold is trying to push lower. If you took some sells over there, watch it now on 1 hour time frame. It is trying to turn. Okay, so let me move on 1 hour. As you can see that there is some buy. Okay, there's also a loss of momentum, so you can take a buy above this high. How far it will go breaking this high, and this can get quite complicated. Okay, so short term buy, it's a possible there, and you may see the break of this high over there. Be careful, it can go for the bit bigger correction, as you can see there. Okay, with the deeper correction, this is what usually they do. They go break the previous top and then they turn. Okay, so they break the previous top and then they turn. So it's the behavior which can appear there in the upcoming week. DXY, the dollar, okay, been anticipating this wave for since really long. Okay, so for those who are with me for quite a long, for those who are following me few months, you know, the whole January we've been forecasting this move and then this move. So what the price is doing right now, we are in the downside. Okay, so the dollar, the DXY movement needs to go lower. So what we did is there, let's have a correction and then more to the downside. Okay, so 1 hour correction is what we need there. So wait couple more hours, four more hours to have that sideways movement, and then you may consider selling it. Okay, does it apply for 5 to 15 minute? What did you mean exactly with this question? To apply on 5 to 15 minute? You mean if you can apply this on five This will be the medium term trade. Okay, so you can only apply this on 1 hour. Okay, on 1 hour, what you have to do is wait for this kind of the sell and then take the trade. You can also sell below this bottom. Okay, if this will start to go, you can sell below there and take the trade to the downside. Be aware, you want strong moves. If this will start to struggle, not go anywhere, slowly, then take it off. Okay, this behavior will apply exactly over there. Okay, there are a lot of charts. I will try to delete them. This is the correction which is in the making. Okay, so you can buy above the high, take this trade to the upside as this high will be tagged. So watch this flag there. This is the lower time frame flag which is trying to appear over there. So what you can do there is you can buy above this high. Okay, this is buy stop. Oh, sorry. This is where you will start buying it and take the trade. If it will not go anywhere, once it will tag that high, then you will close it with a break even. This is the exactly similar scenario as I was showing you in the previous weekly market outlook on the pound USD. On pound USD, this is still there. This is the setup which I was showing you for free previous week. Okay, on the 3 week market outlook. If you will go back and watch the previous weekly market outlook, you will learn something. You will see what I was trying to tell you, how to buy, explain you everything into details. So you supposed to be into the nice profit. Okay, so nice profit was there. So how many pips? Let's count it. There was 124 pips of profit. Okay, so nice profit was there. Okay, you're supposed to take it off and get in back. So you're supposed to have a new trade already running and protect with the break even. Okay, so wait, great. For our, what can we have there? Be aware, this could just tag that and then reverse it upside. I do anticipate that pounds. Okay, so sorry for that. Uh, you cannot buy there. Okay, this is not for buying right now. Okay, you're supposed to be buyer from there, buyer from there, buyer from there. But if you're buyer from those spots, you have to take off profit. You can hold this with a break even. Okay, you will never know what this will trying to appear. If this will go for the bigger correction, that would be more than a perfect. Okay, this scenario will be perfect for slow move. Can I start selling for those sellers? Yes, you can start watching for a sell stops. Let it drop. Let it make high first. Okay, I want to have to see the break first. Okay, break and then massively break down. So in your USD, I need to look for buy. Yes, watch buy your USD. Okay, the pound USD based on that can also go like this and then go high, but I would rather wait more sideways there. Okay, that's not enough for me. Okay, on your USD there is enough. Okay, you can buy above there, but pound USD, this can just reverse the downside daily if you watch the daily where we are located. Okay, so where we are totally at the top. We need to see the running flat. Okay, so I will be really careful with your buys on pound USD. Okay, why? Because as you can see, there's one more wave to the downside, it's needed, and then we will start buying it. Okay, so I will be really cautious with the buys. Okay, they are really long term, short term, sorry, short term, and they can drop down at any time soon. Same move there. Okay, so be careful. I would rather take off the buys and stop playing with buys. We'll rather stick to the sells. You will make much more money. So this buy I will delete since previously market outlook. Okay, you know what to do. Oz USD, nothing is there. Okay, set up watching for this to break down. It didn't. Okay, so I didn't remove it. So what we'll do in the upcoming quick, let's have a look. Let's delete also that one. There's a lot of mess. I didn't clean the chart. Okay, let's have a look. This can go for before to the upside. Okay, be aware. Okay, I would rather watch for, let's have a look, daily. Just a second. This can also continue to the upside, okay? This thing can also go sideways and buy, can go for a buy over there. Be aware around the previous top, okay? You have to be really fast. Sideways, take the buy, you will see how far it will go. If it does not move anywhere, it will go into the deeper correction and you will be buying again, okay? So watch this correction, how it will plays out. So in your for buy, okay, I already answered that. Sorry for that. Didn't so. In New Zealand USD, this it will go down still. Okay, I still see that this is not all of the correction. Let's have a look. We have first wave correction. First wave correction. That may go up for one more high and then it will turn to the downside. Okay, be careful with New Zealand USD sales. Okay, these can just continue. Let me just delete it on it. It will not confuse you. There you can buy above there. This will be your buy. Okay, short term buy, and then you will be selling it again. Okay, from where you will be selling it, you will be selling from the new high again. Okay, keep your eyes there. You will be watching for your sell stop. If you go for that short term buy, you can take this buy stop. Can I go for sell? You don't have the sell stop already. If you are selling it from there, there, and there, hold those trades on a break even. Okay, so protect your trades with a break even trade. Use the chief. We use the chief. It's going down also. This is the same move as we have on the DXY. Okay, dollar pair. This will go down, but be aware that this thing can get quite complicated. We have to keep an eye on. Told you. Okay, this sell there. Okay, let me just delete this one. It's not there. It's supposed to not be there. You can sell below this low. Okay, if this will aggressive break down, you can sell. Be aware what the price will do around the previous low. Okay, you have to be fast also over there. If you put yours there, if this will start to struggle, break even, wait for new high, sell again. Go for new high, sell again. New for new high, sell. Okay, you see this can struggle there, and you may be cautious over there. So let's first try is there, sell it, stop loss there, and then watch it. Will go, okay, one of them will go to the previous low. For those who are in our premium channel and in our trading room, we were selling it from there. Okay, this was the nice sell over there, 2% or 3% of the profit already booked. Okay, we take off our profit there. Exactly, there was profit which and banked in our pocket. So yeah, wait for this how it will play out. USDN, okay, it did more than a wonderful. If you do remember from previous weekly market outlook, if you do remember this sell, if you do remember this sell and this sell and then go. Okay, if not, go back, watch it. You will learn something. Okay, I can guarantee that you will learn something totally for free from mine webinar basically. Okay, so I see that people are really quiet. Let me know if you guys, because it looks really quiet there on the chat. So did you guys taken any trades on USDN? Probably people are sleeping now. Okay, so I hope that you guys didn't fall asleep. If you have questions, just use the chat and answer on all your questions that you'll have. Hi, I'm a bit late. Sorry, it's the Forex USD. Oh, sorry, I just misclicked. You are not late. Okay, we already started with Forex pairs before we were on the cryptos. So okay, people are still there. People still didn't fall asleep. This is really good. Perfect, guys, that you are there. Okay, I'm a bit late. Still there. Okay, I will take a look on Mexican peso. No worries. It's a little bit lower over there. We will take a deep look over there. Okay, so that's great that people are still with me. Okay, congratulations. Okay, let's go. What you will do there on USDN, guys? This will go higher. So the question now is, when this will be completed, you can go for buy. This will be the really slow buy, the really boring buy. Why? Because one more sell it's needed before this will continue to the upside. Okay, so keep an eye there on this flag, how this correction plays out. It is not completed yet. Okay, there was one flag. If you bought that breakout, great. So now another one. Take the trade. Okay, so this trade will probably go really, really slowly. Okay, something like that, all the way back to the top, and then going for one more down before we will finally going to the upside. Okay, so we know that we are breaking out of the daily structure and we need bit bigger correction before this will continue its way to the upside. Okay, so follow the buys, take some money from it. USD cat, there is nothing. And how far did it make new low? And then we will still watching for the buy. Okay, so can I buy? If you bought from there, that you should already close on break even. Okay, so there was the flag over there. If you watch it, okay, there was a flag. If you took it, break even trade. Okay, it didn't move anywhere. So what can we have right now is totally nothing. Okay, so totally nothing is there. This can just continue its way to the downside. So I will delete this arrow for buy. Buy, it's not there. I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so this is what we can have over there before this will continue its way to the upside. At least breaking this loss of momentum and then way to the upside. So it's not ready yet. Aussie cat. What do we have there? Is wait for this. Okay, one more down, small down, tagging this, and then go. Okay, you can watch this flag and then going higher. Can it break down also? Of course. Also, that can eat down, or it can give us the bigger picture, which will go all the way back to the top. Okay, so you can buy above the high all the way back to the top and then reverse, give us a bigger pattern and then going higher. So can I go for sell? Yeah, it's more likely that sell will be much better for you right now. Okay, 2 3 breaking low and then going higher. So this trend line will become like this. I would rather delete this trend line because it could be really confusing one if you don't know exactly what we are watching for and what we are looking for. So watch for this one. Okay, strong break to the downside. Okay, it you still do want to buy. This is your trade, tagging the trade, tagging that high. Okay, but I do rather stick with the sell stop. Aussie yen crawling up slowly, slowly, slowly. We break the previous high. So what can we do now? You can buy if you have the 1 hour flag. 1 hour flag, it's already gone. Okay, there was the 1 hour flag, which is gone already. If you bought it, great. If not, you can buy again. How far it will go? Probably not far. This will be your small trade. Okay, if it does not go anywhere, close your profit. Okay, immediately close it. Preparation if it will go higher. So on the 4 hour, I do also stick with the sell rather than buy. So okay, buy it's limited. Buy it's limited and it's not that long as the sell will be. Okay, so rather wait for your sell stop. I will stay away from buying it. Okay, if there and there, I am not interested to buy it from there because you are totally at the top and at any time this can break down. So rather stick to your with your sell setups. Aussie New Zealand, this is really amazing and special one. Why? Because as you can see how these corrections get bigger, bigger, and it is not the over. Okay, so what you will have to do, patiently wait for this correction to start breaking down. Okay, so keep your eyes there. This is just the setup there. Okay, this can just vary. So what does this mean? Don't just put an enter order because this can just spike up and you will have a losing trade. Okay, this is just there for the direction. Okay, which direction we are watching and for the calculations of the risk to reward ratio. Okay, so we'll know what we are anticipating. But definitely I see this one. Can I go for the buy? I really don't recommend you to go for the buy. Buy, it's also limited there, okay? I think the Aussie pairs are better to sell, okay? Rather wait for your sell setups on all the Aussie pairs. Aussie pairs are limited fast. Once it will go up, take your profit off or move break even really fast and prepare for the sell. Sell will be the money making move. Okay, that kind of the move. Let me move on for hour. This picture on 1 hour is really small. Okay, same move there. Okay, same move there. Yes. This is what you can have. And this is what you have to trade. Watch your lower time frame 1 hour trades and keep adding your sell setups all the way back to the bottom. Okay, this move will be a little bit bigger. Like this, okay? This is what we will see over there. Going down. I'll delete it because it can just use me. Okay, so prepare for the sell. Here, chief. That one is funny. Sell is gone. Now you can start watching for your buy stops. Okay, if this will go for the sideways, you can consider buying it. Okay, all the way back to the top. Chief yen going lower, going really, really slowly. Okay, so can I sell it? Yes, of course, you can start selling it. Okay, we'll see how far it will go. Be aware once it will take the trend line, this could be the running flat going break the top and then it will go down. So once you get into the sell, you may see the break of this trend line really, really aggressively. We should not stop over there on the trend line. We're supposed to see a strong wave to the downside, something like this. Okay, strong down. So watch for your sell stops and good luck. New Zealand yen, that one is struggling over there. The momentum it's not there, and I think the buy it's rarely likely to happen. Where you can buy you can buy above the high over there. If you would like to go, you can take the buy over there all the way back to the high. Sell, it's not yet there. Okay, you don't have the sell setup. If sell will appear, then you will have to wait for the flag. Okay, flag it's not there for selling. Where you can sell there is when you can sell for now, okay? Because you don't have anything, any signs of lower time frame. You can only sell below the bottom. So keep your eyes there. New Zealand Chief trying to push lower. 1 hour correction has break down there, and another one is in the making. This could be our running flat, of course. This is the running flat in the making. So, yep, wait for strong break to the downside once again. Okay, this is what we can have once the market will be open. Okay, someone is sending the analysis. What is this? QuantumScape Corporation. Watch there for 1 hour flex and you can buy. Okay? You can buy after having a 1 hour flex. So let's continue. Okay, we have one hello for me. Thank you guys. You are a little bit late. We've been there almost 1 hour, 2 hours almost. Okay, so you're really late. You missed the more than half of webinar. So welcome. Let's go. Let's continue. New Zealand Chief. What do we have there? This supposed to go deeper. So what can we have over there? Expanded flat can also appear. So be aware that you will have a sell stop once you will start selling. Okay. So I would rather sell only there on strong break to the downside. Take the sell. You want to see the continuation all the way back to the trend line. Can this continue to the upside? Yes. So be aware. Don't immediately blindly just sell. Okay. Just don't sell. If you found me by luck, so you're first time now there, watch our recordings. Okay, go from the beginning of the webinar so you will know exactly what we are talking about. And of course, you will learn something totally different if you are first time with us. Okay, so let's go. Let's continue with the New Zealand cat. That one is going lower, trying to push lower. This is what we've been talking in our trading academy for this setup. This is the reason why this is there. Okay, and what we will do, we will be waiting this for continuation to the downside. Okay, say similar as New Zealand chief is New Zealand cat, so more downside is expected over there. Euro New Zealand, more downside. Okay, downside it's possible over there, so watch it there. Watch for strong break to the downside, take that sell. This sell, how far? All the way down. Okay, so watch this flag how it will plays out. You can sell and take the trade. Euro yen, we are at the top. So what we will have there, okay, at any time soon we will start this move. Okay, so get ready for your sell stop. Keep your eyes for your sells. Just continue the wave to the downside. Your cat, what is there? More downside is there. Okay, so your cat continuation to the downside. Watch it. It will start really soon. Okay, so keep your eyes there. There wasn't any fight on the trading view, so so no any hate, brother. Let's go. Let's continue. Euro Aussie. I never ever had a fight on trading view, so no worries. Let's go Euro Aussie. Let's continue to the downside. Also there, but setup it's not there. Okay, bad entry, bad risk to reward ratio. So out to pull back. If it will not pull back, then simply just skip it. Okay, it's not looking good. Okay, I will never sell it over there because you are too low. Bad risk to reward ratio, and the chart can pull back at any time soon. So you will have no time to manage your trade. You can watch it. Will got hit, and you will also not make any money over there. Okay, so let's go. So pound chief will continue a bit more to the upside. What you can do there is just only watch for some the side wing it. Okay, so this is the 15-minute correction which is trying to appear now, but I would rather see a bit bigger one before buying it. Okay, so wait there, couple more candles to appear before buying it. Aussie chief. Let's have a look on 4-hour structure. This will go down. Okay, you can pull the trend over there. Watch it. This is the first impulsive movement of the correction, and then the bigger corrective movement can appear and then going higher. So what you can do there, go for this sell first. Why? Because this can go really deep. Okay, and the sell can appear over there. So it is worth of taking the sell. Get in, search for setups on 1 hour to 15-minute time frame if you're skilled enough. Okay, and take the trade. Trade's supposed to not stop there around the previous bottom. If it will stop there, then it will go for one new high and then drop down. So be aware that you will get in on time, so you will have a room to manage your trade. Okay, so this trade, watch it there for aggressive breaks to the downside. Euro GBP, this is my first trade, sell over there. So how this is scrolling down. Okay, so this was the correction. I took a strong break to the downside. Okay, so this is my personal trade. My stop loss is there, and how far this is trying to go, let me show you the 4-hour picture. 4-hour picture is my previous low. Okay, so this is previous low, and I do your GBP tag the previous low. So for those who are not in, I do not recommend you to get in now. Okay, so you will have a bad entry. Rather wait this for pullback. Okay, at least one more pullback, then you can go for this sell. If not, then rather wait to tag the previous buying it. Much more interested if you missed the sell. Pound New Zealand. mm, What do we have there is, let me just delete this one. I don't want to confuse you guys. There, and then one more high. Okay, so this is what I want to see is, and then one more high, break those tops, 270 target if you're using the Fibonacci for target area, and then going lower. Can it start pushing lower earlier? Moment. Okay, this can just go there, complete this running flat, and then continuation to the upside. So I'd rather stay away from it right now. Pound Aussie, buy there. Okay, so Pound Aussie will go for one more buy. So keep on searching for your buy stuff. Okay, this is not a sell at the moment. We'll rather stick to the buy. Come on. Okay, sell. It's not there. Not there. Okay, so it's not good spot to selling. Let's look on 1 hour. There is, yeah, sell. It's not active anymore. Or let's have a look. There's the last chance for this, but I don't see the sell there. Okay, so I'm not interested for this move. Rather go for the buy after breaking aggressively from that high. Okay, you can take this buy order all the way back to this high. This is what you can see. Pound cat sell is there. Okay, so for the sell still didn't got triggered. Watch it. Okay, it will go down. Okay, so this is what you will watch for. Okay, watch for the strong break to the downside and then going higher. If you took this sell, this is supposed to be taken off. Once the chart starts to correct, put that on break even. Okay, you don't want to risk your trades in the correction. So what we can have over there is a bit bigger correction. Okay, so this is what we can have over there. Let me move on for our picture. It's okay. 1, 2, 3, taking this low and then going higher. So watch it for strong break to downside. Pound yen. Still not there. There was the buy setup. Okay. So if you were watching for sell, you're supposed to not taking it. Okay. Oops, sorry. There was no momentum for sell. Okay. So we've been watching it, but we didn't took it. Okay. There wasn't a sell setup. You're supposed to not get in there, and you're supposed to not get in there. Why? Because this is the buy setup. This is not the sell setup. Okay. So be able to recognize once the buy is in the making order. Okay. So keep an eye there and watch for sell again. Now the sell will probably came in. Okay, so still wait. This can struggle there, new high, struggle there, new high, and then you will extend that trend line. Okay, I don't recommend you to not even sell your GBP and not even buy any pound pairs. Okay, rather wait to complete before doing anything. Okay, pounds are getting complicated right now. I see them rather for sell. Okay, so pound cat, pound user, rather sell them. Don't go for buy. Go for term sell that I have shown you that I'm already in. Okay, wait for it. Wait for this short to end up. Then you will start buying it. Buy its better move, and better move is there. Sell. Sell there, sell there, sell there, sell there. Okay, much more profit is there. Cat chief, we my traders are having a sell from there. We watch this. It struggles there enough time. Okay, there was a nice correction in the making. It went down. So one more there correction. It make new low. And now the chart is again struggling. So this tells us it will go for one new high. It's not ready yet. Or some of my traders took it on a break even. I also placed this trade on a break even. I will not take my profit, not even there, not even there, not even there. Okay, so I am not for taking profit. I will just hold it, sell with a break even. Will got stopped out on a break even probably, and this is going for one more high. So how this looks like? Let me just draw this correction there. Wait for this correction, take the trade. Okay. Wait it on 1 hour. You're supposed to recognize the flag. CAD watch for your sell stops. Okay, sell stop, it's still not there. Okay, we break the top, so this is a good sign. We're supposed to see a strong break to the downside really soon. USD Mexican. Okay, so this is the guy which was asking about the USD Mexican. What can we anticipate is the Mexican will way to the downside, breaking this low. Okay, this low needs to be broken. So watch for the sell stops. You're supposed to be already into the sell if you were watching it. Okay, so there was a nice sell stop. If you took it, you did a great job. Okay, so protect now your trades with the break even. Once this low will be broken, yeah, profit is previous low. Oh, sorry, my drawing is really bad. Okay, so this previous low. Sugar, what you can do, you can sell it, not buy it anymore. I can see there this move will go lower. Okay, so sell it. This was the short market outlook if you were watching it. If not, then watch for this sell over there. Okay, stick with your lower time frames on the sells. US oil keep pushing higher. I'm still not interested. Okay, so and I don't recommend you to go for this buy. This is limited time to push at any time soon. Okay, so don't buy it anymore. I'm not interested to buying it. Same there. Okay, we'll still wait for the sell setups. Once there will be any signs of the sell, there wasn't any sell signs. Okay, there was the nice 1 to 3 flag correction for buy. If you took it, great, take off your profit. Same there. If you took on oil, buy off your profit already. Let's have a quick look on indices now, and then we will end the webinar. Okay, it took really long for now. Let's go US 30. Uh, the indices will go down. Okay, so now is the question: is this the high? Will it just break and then going down? Okay, so watch this and then take the trade to the downside. Okay, but don't sell it right now. Okay, it can just struggle, but at any time soon, be ready. Okay, this is the move, and this is the huge move which can go really nicely. Can it go a little bit higher? Of course, it can push all the way high and then reverse the downside, but I'm not interested for that kind and that small trades already. So watch for yourselves rather than sticking to the buy stops. Nasdaq 100, watch and wait for sell stops. The buy it's pushing higher. Okay, on the Friday there was a buy setup. We saw that and we didn't took it. Okay, this is the useless, not working it. Okay, flat and then pushing higher. So ignore. Okay, ignore the buys. Don't get stuck with your buy stops. Wait for your sell stops. Have you done Bitcoin Wave Master? Yes, I did already. Okay, so this was at the beginning of the webinar. This weekly market outlook, we started with the crypto first, then we move on Forex. So you have to watch the recording if you would like to see the Bitcoin analysis and all the crypto which we've been watching for. In Nasdaq 100, the running flat which is completed. Okay, and now we break the top, and this will also break down really nicely. Okay, so keep an eye there. Don't get blind with the buys. Okay, buys are there only to make you blind. Okay, keep giving the buy setups to make you blind and you will miss the sell. So stick to your sell setups. Once it will start to break, aggressive to downside. All the indices, same there, SP 500. Those are just limited time buys. Okay, you're supposed to not get in any buy. Just watch for your sell stop. Okay, this is even better. Okay, this one didn't fly too high. Okay, but it's still sell stop. It's there. UK 100 pushing higher, but we are not. There wasn't any sell stop at the moment. We cannot do anything. Just wait. Can we take the buy in case if it will appears? No, I don't recommend you to go for the buy. Okay, still stick to your sell setups. Okay, so this is everything. We came to the end of the webinar channel. Okay, so watch also previous weekly market outlook. You will learn from something, especially the previous one. The previous one was really good one. So if you'll take a look on the previous weekly market outlook recording, you will definitely learn something. This is the purpose of webinars. So for those who are interested to join our trading academy, like I said, just simply send me the private message. You can contact me there on TradingView, or you can visit the social sites. The links are below our trading via published charts. Okay, or our website tradewithmaster.eu, and then you can send me an email. You will find there the email, and you can contact me over there. So guys, this webinar was really awesome, was really long. I see that some of you are tired. It's been 2 hours, and I hope that you have enjoyed. If you have any questions, if you would like to ask me, just use the chat. Otherwise, we will end there. Okay, so see that there is no question. This is really good, so everyone understand what we were been talking about. So thank you for now. Thank you for this webinar. If you were happy, please share the link with others. See you on Sunday. Take care and enjoy your weekend and Valentine's Day. Take care. Bye bye.